Hear the word system and think that somebody's talking about a secret conspiracy. I'm not. A system is simply what happens over and over again. If black communities are underfunded over and over again, that's a system. If black schools receive fewer resources over and over again, that's a system. If black children are viewed as more threatening over and over again, that's a system. If black families are told to work twice as hard for half the recognition over and over again, that's a system. If people find themselves explaining away the deaths of black children over and over again, that's a system. A system does not need every individual to be racist. A system only needs the same results to keep showing up. And when I look at the history of black Americans, I see a lot of the same results. I see slavery, I see black codes, I see redlining, I see Jim Crow, I see segregation schools, I see mass incarceration, I see neighborhoods starved of investments while being flooded with surveillance. I see generation after generation being told that the problem started with us, the history that created it get ignored. Then people become angry, frustrated, suspicious, or distrustful. Society act like they appeared out of thin air. They didn't. Every wound has a history. Every community has a history. Every statistic has a history. Every reaction has a history. People ask why black Americans keep bringing up the past, because the past never actually left. The laws change, the language change, the faces change, the many of the outcomes remain remarkable familiar. That's why people are angry. Not because of one case, not because of one verdict, not because of one headline. Because when you zoom out far enough, you stop seeing isolated incidents and start seeing patterns. And generations of us have been looking at those patterns, and we've been looking at them for a very long time.